Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing great and I hope all of you are excited for this most awaited session. Hello Mrunmai, Mitali, a very warm welcome guys. Ashwin, Lipika, Mohit, Swapnil, Chaitanya, Ashmit, Sanjeevani, Spectra, welcome. Exactly Venisha, welcome. So guys, today's session is about complete KVPY SA Formula Revision and I'm going to revise all the important formulas which I feel will be necessary for your exam tomorrow. So tomorrow's exam is going to be very important. I know you guys have been preparing very hard and to culminate, we are going to completely revise our formulas which are very important. Okay. So shall we get started, people? Yes, all of you. Thank you, Chandan. So before we get in, guys, for all those who are new to this channel, I will quickly introduce myself. My name is Shimon Joseph. I teach math at Vedantu. And to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras. And like you guys, I also wrote KVPY when I was a student a few years back. And I cleared KVPY aptitude test in my 11th as well as in my 12th standard, and that is why I'm gonna help you guys, giving you some ideas on how to tackle the aptitude exam. Okay, and I also wrote JEE Mains. I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu, so that's my background. If you want to know me better, if you want to be my friend, then you can follow me on Instagram. I'm quite active over there. Okay, so shall we begin? Shall we get started? So people, this is the weekly schedule. We are on Saturday. I am at this session. So today at 4 o'clock, we have a brilliant session on strategy for attending the exam. How to attempt the paper, I'm going to talk about it at 4 o'clock. Are you all aware of it? Did you guys know that? So 4 o'clock in the same channel, today I'll be discussing something very interesting. Please try to be there sharp. Welcome Praveen, Yashoda. Yes, let's get started. So many of you are excited. Hello Archana, welcome. Anushka, great. So people, you have the marathon sessions in our channel for JEE Mains going on. If you are interested, do take part in that. And also, do you all know that today at 5:30, Shimon Sir is going to revise all the important formulas for 12th standard. So if you are a student who is looking to revise CBSE formulas, then be there at 5:30 and Wasim Sir will meet you at 7:30. So guys, I hope everybody is clear. Let's get started, shall we? So before we dive in, I want to talk about the crash course offered in this particular channel. So you're gonna take the crash course for JEE Mains, then you can check out the description link which I've given over there. So what does this crash course contain? It contains full test and part test. It covers the entire JEE Main syllabus and all at a price of 7,000. If you feel it is gonna help you a lot, then go for it. This is my coupon code. You will get a good discount. So let's get started, people. If you are new to the channel, do give a subscribe because I don't want you to leave after KVPY. I want you guys to be here and be a part of a long journey. Okay, so do subscribe because I want to see you again, and do share it if you enjoyed it a lot and if you feel your friends should also like it. Okay, so here we go. Very first slide. Are you all ready? I'm going to give the first formula now. Can I see some yeses and excitement in the chat? Come on, ninjas. I want all my ninjas to show me some excitement. Before we get started, one last, how's the Josh people? Yes? Are you all ready and excited for this? Very good. That's exactly what I expected. You guys are amazing. So let's get this session fired up. So here we go. The first and the foremost topic which I want to teach you all is nothing but mensuration. So mensuration is an important topic. You do get at least 2 to 3 questions from that. So you do get at least 2 to 3 questions from that. And what does it cover? It covers surface area and volume. It covers surface area and volume. So guys, I would say this is going to be the easier section of your KVPY. I would say this will be the easier section of your KVPY. So if at all you're going to score some marks, it will be from this region majorly. So first of all, I will give you the shape, I will give you volume, I will give you curved surface area and total surface area. Guys, you should be very well aware about what is curved surface area and what is total surface area. I hope everybody knows that. Yes, Praveshini, I will help you with that also. So let's go one by one quickly because these are all basics and I'm sure you guys are aware of it. I'm sure you guys are all aware of it. So cube, volume is A cube. Why? Because cube is nothing but a square which is extended in 3 dimensions. So what will be the volume of a cube? It will be base area into height. Base area is what? The base of a cube is a square which is A and A. So base area is A square and height will also be A. So base area into height will be A square into A, which will be A cube. And what is total surface area? Total surface area is the surface area of all the 6 faces. Every face is A square and totally we have 6 faces. So 6 faces into A square will be 6A square. Are you all clear with that? So that is why we have 6A square. Everybody clear? So Ritik Roshan, curved surface area means it does not include the opening on the top and opening on the bottom. So curved surface area will contain only 4 faces. For example, if you have only 4 sides of a cube to be enclosed, if the top and bottom are open, then you have only curved surface area. I hope you guys got it. Everybody clear with that? Yes, Albert Einstein, absolutely. No problem, Akshaya, welcome. Hello, Shrija Mahendran, welcome. Perfect. So let's move forward. Cuboid is what? Cuboid is nothing but a rectangular shape which is extended in 3 dimensions. For example, like the room you are sitting in. The room you are sitting in is most probably a cuboid. The room you are sitting in is most probably a cuboid. So what is the volume of a cuboid? It is nothing but length into breadth into height. Again the same formula. Area of the base into height. Area of base is what? L into B. H is the height. So L into B into H will give you the volume. What is curved surface area? Curved surface area is nothing but the total surface area without the top and the bottom. Because sometimes it will be open. It will be open on the top, it will be open on the bottom. So you will not have the top area and the bottom area. Got it? So this is your curved surface area, which is 2H L plus B, and this is your total surface area, which includes all the 6 faces. Yes guys, I'm gonna move aside so you guys can take a screenshot of this. Okay, you guys can take a screenshot of this, everybody. Okay people, awesome. Okay, remove that rectangle. Okay. Yes, Venisha, please try to copy that. And guys, take a screenshot. Hello, Darshini. Welcome. Straight line is not there in KVPY, Vivek, so don't worry about it. Yes, very good, guys. So sphere volume, sphere curved surface area, sphere total surface area. I hope everybody knows that. Hello, Ibrahim. Welcome, man. Yes, Manan, of course you can. Then you have the hemisphere. Hemisphere curved surface area is 2 pi r square because curved surface area of hemisphere will be this alone, whereas total surface area will be this plus the top. Did you understand the difference? So the top will be what? Pi r square. And we know the curved surface area is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square will be 3 pi r square. Are you all able to get that? Now did you understand what is the difference between CSA and TSA? This is a very classic example where we can clearly understand the exact difference. Everybody clear with that? Hello Pavitra, welcome. No, for SA it is not there, Praveshini. For SA it is not there. Okay. So I hope you guys got it. Cone is very important. Cone and cylinder are kind of the most important mensuration chapters which you have to be really good at. Okay. So what is the volume of a cone? It is 1/3 pi r square h, where r is the radius of the base and h is the height of the cone. What is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Again, r is radius of base and h is the height of cone. So h is the height of cylinder. So can I say cylinder volume is nothing but 3 times volume of cone. So this is a good relation which you guys have to remember. So the volume of a cylinder is going to be 3 times the volume of cone for the same base radius and height. Did you all know that? Everybody? Very good, very good, very good. Absolutely right. And this is pi RL, which is a curved surface area. What do you mean by curved surface area? Only this region. Only this. This region is your curved surface area. Are you all clear with that? Only the region along the sides. So if you want total surface area, then you have to include the base area also. So this is your base area included. That is why you see pi r square there. So if you do not include pi r square, then what you have is just the curved surface area. Did you all understand that? Everybody? Exactly, Ishan. Exactly, Suprao. You're all revising your lower grade formula. Om Jain, this is very important for your essay. Very important. I have written the exam twice. I know that these basics are required. That is why we are doing this. Okay. Hello, Anushka. Welcome. Santosh Mishra. Yes. So people, let's try to understand what is slant height. So slant height, for those who are asking, it is nothing but the hypotenuse of this particular triangle. So this is R, this is H, and this is your slant height. So slant height square is equal to H square plus R square. That is how you find out the slant height. Is that clear to everybody? Is that clear to everybody? Shall I move forward? Yes, all of you cool with it? KVPY will not have conic section. For SA it is not there. Vivek, I have told you twice. So let us move forward to the next one. Here we go, people. The next one is frustum. So this is something which you guys might have studied in your 10th standard, but most of you would have forgot it. So I am going to explain it again. Listen very carefully. Okay? All of you please try to listen carefully. This is important. So frustum is nothing but the shape of a bucket. So it looks like this. Let's say you have something like a bucket shaped figure. This is what we call as a frustum, and obviously it is 3 dimension. It will have a 3D figure. In 2 dimension it looks like this. Let's say the radius of the bottom face is R1 and the radius of the top one is R2, and I want to understand what is the volume of this particular figure if the height is h. So volume is given by 1/3 pi r square plus capital R square plus RR into h. So this is nothing but your capital R. This is nothing but your small r. So what is volume? Volume is 1/3 pi h into r square plus RR. So that is how you figure out the volume of a frustum. Everybody clear with that? Everybody? Yes? Very good, very good. That is amazing. That is amazing. Yes, Divakar, I will talk about it later. And guys, the next one is very important. Please listen carefully. So if you know the slant height of your frustum, then the lateral surface area or curved surface area. So curved and lateral mean the same. Okay. So if they give you lateral surface area, please understand that they are asking you about curved surface area. Don't ever forget that. Okay. Thank you, Pinakin, but I am so happy that you are enjoying it. Okay. Exactly. Now listen very carefully, guys. The volume formula I just gave now for curved surface area, it is nothing but pi into R plus R into L. This is not a very intuitive formula. So please try to learn it, write it down. What is the curved surface area? It is pi into R plus R into L. That is the curved surface area of your frustum. What is total surface area? Total surface area is equal to curved surface area. It is equal to curved surface area plus bottom radius plus top radius. Got it? So bottom circle plus top circle area I have to add. That will be your total surface area. Did you all understand it? Did you guys understand this? Everybody? All of you clear with this? This is very important, guys. I want you to let me know. Brilliant, brilliant. Exactly, Supravo. That's absolutely right. Good job, guys. Good job. Keep it up. So don't forget these results because frustum questions do keep coming in the exam. They do keep coming in the exam. So you have to be ready for it. L will be given to you in the question, Chandan. Okay. So shall we move forward? Exactly. Let us move forward to the next thing. The next thing which I want to teach you is again something which you may not be knowing. So I want to teach you guys all about your prism and pyramids. So what is a prism? Guys, today is about revising formulas. I'm not going to give you questions. So let's try to cover all the formulas in just an hour so that you guys can download the session PDF and you can go back and study on your own, because this session PDF is so useful to all of you guys. Okay, so let's get back to it and please listen carefully. What is a prism? A prism is a shape which has a polygon as a base. So if you see here, the base is a triangle. If you see here, the base is a hexagon. So you have a polygon as a base and that you raise it. So you have a polygon of a base and that you raise it. That is what you call as a prism. Are you all clear with that? Same way, if you have a polygon as a base and if you raise it, you get a prism again. So this is called as a triangular prism. This is called as a hexagonal prism. This is called as a triangular prism and this is what we call as a hexagonal prism. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Yes. So Anushka saying, sir, please reduce the brightness. Yes. But Anushka, please don't spam the chat. I see you are spamming a lot. So try to reduce your spam, guys. I don't want you to repeat things again and again. I do respond to everybody. So let's keep it very professional. Okay. So please don't spam the chat. I will address everybody's doubt. Don't worry about it. Got it? So now what is the volume of a prism? Volume is nothing but base area into height. What is base area? Base area is area of a triangle into height. So that is what we have here. Can you see that? So base area into height will give you volume of this particular prism. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Everybody? So area of hexagon is nothing but 6 times root 3 by 4 a square. It is nothing but 6 times the area of equilateral triangle. Did you get it, Ishan? So that is only area of a hexagon. Area of hexagon, regular hexagon. Okay. Usually you will get regular hexagon, so don't worry about it. Are you all cool with that? Did you get it, Ishan? So area of hexagon is 6 times root 3 by 4 a square, where a is the side of the hexagon. Clear? So what is curved surface area? Curved surface area is the area of this and that, leaving top and bottom. So leaving top and bottom, whatever I have is your curved surface area. Got it? So for example, if I have this bottle over here, the side, right? The side is your curved surface area, leaving the top and bottom. So if I leave the top and bottom, then I get my curved surface area, which will be what? Which will be base perimeter. So you'll have A into H, B into H, C into H. So the total area will be A plus B plus C into H. So which is nothing but perimeter of the base into height. Are you able to follow that? Everybody? So perimeter of base into height will give you the curved surface area. So if you want the total surface area, what should you do? if you want the total surface area, you need to add the top area and the bottom area also. So total surface area is nothing but lateral surface area plus area of base, area of this top base. Got it? Exactly. So to the lateral surface area, if you add the bottom and the top surface area, you will get the total surface area. Is that clear? Did you all like what is a prism? Everybody? Exactly. Can you all give me a yes? Yes, Sai Anup, you will get the session PDF right after the class is over. After the class is over, you guys will get the session PDF. And Alvina Joseph, conic sections is not needed for your KVPY SA. Guys, KVPY SA is 11th standard exam. So you have portions only till 10th. So SA exam is based on your 10th level portion. So don't worry about it. Akila, welcome. Very good, very good. Awesome. So here we go, people. Let's go to the next one, which is right over here, which is your pyramid. So now I'm going to move to pyramid. I hope everybody got prism. Prism means what? Prism means you have a base which is a polygon and you raise it just like that. But pyramid is you have one point on top. So you have a polygon base and you have one point on top to which you will connect all the four or all the vertices. So you have a triangular base and you have one point on top that you will connect all the three vertices. That shape will be called as a pyramid. Did you guys understand pyramids now? So I'm sure everybody has seen the pyramids at which place? Egypt, right? I'm sure you guys have seen the pyramids at Egypt. Yes? So they are of the same shape. Now they have a triangular base and there will be one point on top. They might have a square base and they might have one point on top. They might have a hexagonal base and one point on top. Is that clear? So what is the area? What is the area of a pyramid? The area of a pyramid is 1/3 base area into height. So base area into height will be, this will be volume of prism. So it is 1/3 the volume of prism for the same base and the same height. So let's say this is height and this is BA. So volume of pyramid is equal to 1/3 into base area into height. I hope you guys got it. So for pyramids, you need to multiply by 1/3. For prism, it is directly base area into height. I hope you guys are all clear with it. Everybody? So shall we move forward? Exactly. So with that, I'm going to go to the next one. Please listen carefully, guys. Okay. All of you, please try to listen carefully. Now, what is curved surface area? Curved surface area is nothing but the surface area without the base area. That's it. The total surface area without the base area is your curved surface area, and that is going to be half into perimeter of base into slant height. So it is going to be half into perimeter of base into slant height L. So everything has a slant height because this will be L. This will be L. So it's going to be half perimeter of base into the slant height, and that will be the curved surface area. Lateral surface area plus base area will give you TSA. What is total surface area? It is nothing but curved surface area plus the base area. Because in a pyramid, there is only one base. In a pyramid, there is only one base. So it is going to be curved surface area plus the base area. That will give you total surface area. Is that clear? Everybody? All of you clear with it? Go in. It will be given to you as an information in the question. Okay. No, Venisha, it will be uploaded in the website. So you have to wait for that. All of you cool with it? Shall I move forward, guys? Brilliant, Kamakshi. I'm so happy that you are enjoying it. Okay. Praveshini, I'll answer that at the end. Okay. No, Praveshini, that is not correct. You are doing something wrong. So let us move forward to the next one, guys. let's go ahead. Now I'm going to talk about quadratic equations, which everybody is clear of, and you must be knowing that very well because you have that in your IIT JEE preparation. So let me quickly explain it to you. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. What do we have here? Let us say you have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we know that if alpha and beta are the roots, we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to c by a. Do you all know that? Do you all know that? Everybody knows it. Very simple. Now, what is your alpha and beta? Your alpha and beta can be found out by using the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Is that clear? So you can use this formula and get what is alpha and beta. But please remember, if you want real roots, then this square root has to be defined. If you want real roots, the square root has to be defined. Isn't that right? So if your square root is negative, then you have imaginary roots. If your square root is negative, then you have imaginary roots. But please listen carefully. If your a, b, c are real numbers, then the imaginary roots will occur in conjugate pairs. So your imaginary roots will occur in conjugate pairs. Are you all clear with it? But that will happen only when a, b, c are real numbers. Please note that if a, b, c belong to real numbers and discriminant is less than 0, then only you will have conjugate roots. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, no. Because everybody says this. Sir, there will be conjugate roots. Imaginary roots always occur in pairs. Irrational roots always occur in pairs. You should not blindly say that. You should not simply say that without any backing. Only after you check whether a, b, c are real numbers, only then you can say that. Got it? Are you all clear? Perfect. So now, if d is not 0, the roots will be distinct, and if d is 0, roots will be equal. And the equal roots are given by this particular formula. I hope you guys have got it. Yes. Very good, Sai Anup. I'm sure that will help you. I'm sure that will help you. Okay. Yes. I will show you how to do that, Albert Einstein. Please wait for some time. Okay. So everybody done with this? And guys, now if a, b, c are real and discriminant is greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. The roots are real and distinct. Distinct means they are all different. They won't be equal roots. Are you guys cool with it? So shall I move to the next one? These things are clear to everybody? Yes, people, are you all done with these? Shall I move to the next one? All of you, can I see some thumbs up? Very good, very good. Tisha, just focus on the formula what I've shared here. It might help you get one or two questions correct. Okay? It will definitely help you with at least 1 or 2 questions. The PDF will be available right after the class and you guys can check it. You guys can check it in the Telegram group or even in the description of this video. Brilliant. So here we go, people, to the next particular topic which I really want to talk about. So now, listen very carefully, if A, B, C belong to rational numbers, Q means rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are of the form P by Q where Q is not equal to 0. So if it is a rational number and if D is not square of a rational number, then the roots are irrational and they occur in pairs. So if one root is P plus root Q, the other root will be P minus root Q. When will this happen? This will happen when the coefficients of x square, x and the constant term, they are all rational numbers and D is not a perfect square. And D is not a perfect square. So always remember, your irrational roots will occur in pair only when this condition is satisfied. So don't blindly go and say that irrational roots will always occur in pairs. No. they do not always occur in pairs. They occur in pair only when your discriminant is not a square of a perfect rational number and your ABC belong to rational number. So that you have to take care. Are you all clear? Yes, yes, yes. So I will show you some example. So can you guys think of some very, very interesting example which I can give over here? So let's say x square plus let's say 3x minus 4. So what will I have here? The roots are minus 3 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. So that will be 25 by 2a. So this is a perfect root. So let me take something else. Let's take 5 over here. So Reshmi, what is the roots of this? The roots of this will be Reshmi minus b plus or minus root of b square is what? 9. 9 minus 4ac will be 29 by 2a. So the roots are nothing but minus 3 plus root 29 by 2 and minus 3 minus root 29 by 2. Are you getting it? So that is the way we solve it. Are you able to understand? So this is what I was talking about. Can't you see they are irrational pairs? Can't you see that they are occurring in pairs? Why are they occurring in pairs, Reshmi? Because my A, B and C are all rational numbers and my discriminant is not a perfect square. Because of that, roots are irrational and they occur in pairs. Understood? So this is how you understand what this particular right hand side means. Now I'll explain the left hand side because some of you are asking me to explain it. I'll do it. So if ABC are rational and discriminant is greater than 0, you have roots which are real and distinct. Now, how will root be a rational number? Roots will be a rational number if A is equal to 1, B and C belong to rational numbers and D is square of an integer. So only if D is a square of an integer, you will have roots to be rational numbers. Otherwise, root D will be an irrational number. I hope you got it, Ishan. Are you able to follow? Yes. So that is what this means. Only if root D is a square of an integer, then you will have rational roots. Otherwise, no way. Got it? Very good, very good. So guys, with that, let us move forward because we have a long way to go. Sinchan, I really don't know, man, because I have a lot of formulas to cover and this session might really help you to score well. So I would also recommend you guys to stay with me. Probably we'll have one more hour to go. Okay, so one more hour. Rohit Sharma, this is for KVPY. It has no functions, so I'm not going to do functions today. Okay, so let's get started, people. What do we have here? So we have two quadratic equations. So we have a1x square plus b1x plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x square b2x plus c2 is equal to 0. So when you have two quadratic equations like this, when will they have both the roots same? Both the roots will be same only when the quadratic equations are proportional. Okay, both the roots will be same only when the quadratic equations are proportional. That means a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 should be equal to c1 by c2. Only then I can say that both the roots will be common to these two equations. Are you guys able to understand? Everybody? All of you are able to follow? Can you guys please let me know? Yes, Govind, geometry is very important. I'm gonna teach you a lot of cool things in geometry. So please wait for it. Very good, Ananya. Very good, Rishik Dasgupta. Brilliant. So Lohit, this is your Kramer's rule. Yeah, you got it. So if only one root is common, then I can say alpha is a common root. So can I say a1 alpha square plus b1 alpha plus c1 is equal to 0? And we also know that a2 alpha square plus b2 alpha plus c2 is also 0. So can I use Kramer's rule and get this condition when I eliminate alpha? So if I eliminate alpha, I will get this particular condition. So this is the condition for having one root common between these two quadratic equations. Did you all understand that? Did you all understand that? Everybody. So you have one root common between these two. So I hope you guys are all clear with it. Yup. Brilliant, brilliant. So guys, note down these things. I have given you a brief idea of how it works. So Ananya, you have these two quadratic equations now. So this has two roots, this has two roots. So I want one root to be common to both of them. So that condition I am trying to derive. So let us say alpha is the common root. So alpha will satisfy this quadratic. Alpha will also satisfy this quadratic. So if I substitute alpha in both the quadratic, I get these two quadratic equations which are simultaneously satisfied. Okay? Are you guys able to understand that? So now, if alpha satisfies both of them, we can apply Cramer's rule. What is Cramer's rule? Alpha square by B1 C2 minus, what do we have? C1 B2 is equal to minus alpha divided by, what will I have? A1 C2 minus, what will I have? C1 A2 is equal to 1 divided by, I'll have A1 B2 minus B1 A2. So this, when you eliminate alpha, you will get this condition. Okay? So I don't want to get into the derivation, but anyway, I have given it. You guys can eliminate alpha here and you will get this relation. This is very important. Okay? Rohit Sharma, that will be at 4 o'clock. Today, 4 o'clock, I have the paper solving session. So please be there. I will teach you how to attempt the paper, what to do, what not to do and all that. Yes, Madheshwaran, the PDF will be available to you right after the class. Cramer's rule, Chaitanya, is nothing but your cross multiplication method. Many of you would have studied it as cross multiplication method. It is also called as Cramer's rule. Okay, so don't worry about it. So shall we move forward, guys? Guys, please understand, all you need to do right now is remember this expression. You don't need to do research. You don't need to send a rocket. Nobody is going to award you for knowing this. Okay? But people will really benefit if you know this formula. So be very smart. You are studying one day before the exam. One day before the exam, you should not do what? You should not do research. You should accept what I am saying and use it in the exam. Okay? If you want to research about what you did here, then you can write KVPY 2023. Okay? Don't write KVPY 2021. Directly you write 2023. If you want to write tomorrow, then shh, and then listen carefully, okay? So let's move forward. Here we go, people. Solution of triangle. So what do we have in solution of triangle? So this is also a very important topic and I want you all to listen carefully. What are all the important stuff over here? Okay? So first thing is, you need to know that if you have a triangle ABC, the side opposite to capital A is small a. Okay? Why am I explaining all this? Because the formula will contain this. So you need to know the terminology and notation. So please listen carefully. The side opposite to A is A. The side opposite to B is B. The side opposite to C is C. Got it? And this angle is capital A. This angle is capital B. And this angle is capital C. And we know that sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180. We know that sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180. I hope everybody knows that. Very simple. Very good. Now, what is sine rule? Sine rule and cosine rule are probably the most important rules you study in your solution of triangle. That means properties of triangle. So what does sine rule say? Sine rule is very famous. In physics, you would have studied it as Lami's theorem. Is that correct? Something called as Lami's theorem. So that also uses your sine rule. I hope you guys are all clear about it. Let me explain briefly what that means. So your sine rule is nothing but sine of angle A divided by side A is equal to sine of angle B divided by side B is equal to sine of angle C divided by C, and that will be equal to 1 by 2r, where r is your circumradius. where R is your circumradius. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Exactly. Exactly. Yes, definitely always a directioner. It will be done. Perfect. So guys, please remember, this is so beautiful and powerful. Why is it so beautiful and powerful? Because it is applicable for any triangle. This is applicable for any given triangle. Isn't that awesome? So now, similar to sine rule, you have something called as your cosine rule. So cosine rule is very important. Again, it relates your angle to the sides. So what does cos A mean? I'll teach you a shortcut way to remember. Cos A is B square C square. So adjacent side squares minus opposite side square divided by 2 times product of adjacent sides. Did you like that? Did you like that? That is a very easy way to remember. What is it? Cosine of A is adjacent side squares sum minus opposite side square divided by twice of B into C. Did you guys like it? Everybody? All of you? So can you guys think about how to write cos B? So supravo, I'll explain it, listen carefully. So when I write cos B supravo, the adjacent sides are A and C. So if I write for B, adjacent is A and C. So I will square and add the adjacent sides, subtract the square of opposite side by twice product of adjacent sides. Did you like it? Very good, very good. Yes, 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 yes. I will definitely use a brighter color, Venisha. I guess blue will be better. Okay, everybody cool with it? So that's about your cosine rule. I hope you guys liked it. Shall we move forward? Everybody? Brilliant, guys. So here we go to the next thing. The next important stuff which I want everybody to remember is your semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter? S is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2. Okay. So it is nothing but perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all the 3 sides. A plus B plus C. That is your perimeter. What is S? S is nothing but your semi-perimeter. As the name suggests, semi means half. So half of your perimeter is S. Got it? Are you all cool with it? Exactly. Now, what is area of triangle? So guys, can I say area of triangle? So let me derive it for you so that you guys appreciate it, because these are all laddu, small topics. Okay, listen very carefully. Manan, no problem, man. See, Manan, math with these formulas, what I'm teaching you, I am very sure at least 3 or 4 questions you should be able to attend with ease. And you will tell me tomorrow after the exam that these 4 questions you will solve with the help of whatever formula I discussed. So be very confident. This session should give you a boost in your confidence. Is 50 a safe score? Yash, I'm thinking the cutoff will be around 60 to 65. So the cutoff will be around this. Okay? Because guys, this time there is no interview. Since there is no interview, I think the cutoff will be high. Got it? A safe score would be around 65 in my opinion. But if you want, you can at least try for a 60. Got it? So 70 would be very good likes. Very good region, I would say. But 60 to 65 is decent. It's a very good score. If you score this, I would be happy for you. Because guys, if you score here, according to me, you deserve the scholarship. Why you deserve the scholarship? Because this year, unfortunately, due to coronavirus, you don't have the interview. But in normal years, for this score, you get a chance to go to the interview and you might even clear it. Because interview might go well for you. So according to me, if you do get this mark, in my eyes, you are a KVPY scholar. Got it? So aim for this. So now guys, coming back to topic, let's not divert. So I want to derive area. So guys, area of triangle, everybody knows, is half base into height. Everybody knows that. So can I say it is half A into height, this height. So can I say this is height H? So this is angle B. So can I say H by C is equal to sine of angle B? So can I say H is equal to C sine B? So can I say H is equal to C sine B? So can I say area is half AC sine B? So do we have that? Area is half AC sine B. Similarly, I can say BC sine A. Similarly, I can say AB sine C. That's it. As simple as that. Jaya Jinkya, please give the exam. Please give the exam. The exam is 2000 rupees. You have paid the money, you have registered for it. So whether you complete syllabus or not, go give it and come. Okay? Because not just because you paid the money, man. Nobody completes syllabus. Nobody goes with full syllabus. Okay? So don't worry about it. Just go give it for the experience. Tanisha, yes Tanisha, tell me what is your doubt. Okay? For math, see Madheshwaran, math is usually difficult, man, in KVPY. But out of 25 marks in math, I would at least want you guys to score around 10. 10 to 15 is a target score for average student. But if you are someone, sir, math is running in my veins. You can see in my blood. Math is there in my body. Then you guys can score 20 plus. Okay? 20 plus is a very, very good score. And 10 to 15 is a decent score. Okay? So you can decide accordingly. You can decide accordingly. Got it? So let's move forward, guys. Let's go ahead. And what else we have? This is Heron's formula. This is your Heron's formula that everybody knows. Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C will give you area of triangle. That is by Heron's formula. And I was talking about math, Venisha. About math only. Hello Navami, welcome. Very good Anand, that's very good, man. That's really, really good score. Okay. Radius of circumcircle also I have told. So guys, another formula for radius of circumcircle is ABC by 4 delta. What is delta? Delta is area of triangle. Okay. So that is another formula to find radius of circumcircle. What is circumcircle? Circumcircle is a circle which circumscribes the triangle. So this is your circumradius. Did you all understand that? Everybody? So circumcircle radius is circumradius. It is distance between circumcenter to one of the vertices. Are you all cool with it? Everybody? So shall I move forward? Hello Ishita, very nice to see you. Mubin, my name is Shimon Joseph. I teach math at Vedantu. Yes, Shabir Mohammed, please tell me what is your doubt. Yes, Ananya, at least the properties and formulas you guys can revise. Yes, Sunilja, of course you can. So here we go, people. Jenny Ferlin. Jenny, what happens here is, I was explaining it to you, the radius of circumcircle. First of all, what is circumcircle? Circumcircle is a circle which circumscribes your triangle. So that means it passes through your vertices A, B and C, and the radius of circumcircle is your R, capital R. So you will have something called a circumcenter. This is called as your circumradius. So that can be derived by this formula, Jenny. Okay. So this is a new formula. I just wanted you guys to know it. That's it. Just mark it and then we will move forward. Yes. Everybody? Cool. So let's move forward. Let's go ahead. So this is in circle. Guys, these are all formulas. Directly, I want you to take them down. Directly take them down because these are all I teach my topper students at Vedantu. So these are all the formulas which we teach in the toppers batch for getting All India rank top 50 in advance. So those formulas I have given you just to be safe. So in case you get a question on this, you can directly use the formula and get the answer. Okay? So I hope you guys liked it. Please take a screenshot and use it whenever you can. So O is your circumcenter, H is your orthocenter. O is your circumcenter, I is your incenter. O is your circumcenter, G is your centroid. Okay? Save score of other subjects. Ritik, it depends, man. It depends on the difficulty of the exam. I cannot say right now. Sanjeet, I scored around 300 out of 360 when I wrote JEE Mains. Arohan, I think you have to get a score of 75 plus to get below 100. You need to aim for a score of 75 plus to get below 100. Okay? Brilliant, brilliant. So guys, here we go. Let's get started with the next set of properties. 16 in all subjects is good. Yes, yes, yes. That is also a very good score. So please listen carefully, people. Let me explain it. Angle bisector. What is incenter? Incenter is nothing but the point of intersection of angle bisectors. Incenter is nothing but the point of intersection of angle bisectors. So this is your incenter, and it is also called as the center of your incircle. So do you all agree this is your incircle? Why is it your incircle? Because it touches all the three sides. Incircle is a circle which touches all your three sides, and that is what we have here. Okay? Chinmaya, can you please rewind the video? You can pull it back and watch it because we have a lot of things to cover and I really want to move forward. Got it? Yes, Shreya, circumcenter is center of the circumcircle, whereas incenter is the center of incircle. And incenter is also the point of intersection of angle bisectors. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Area of circumcircle is pi capital R square. Okay, that is area of circumcircle. Did you understand it? Shabir, I hope you got it, man. Okay, that is the area of circumcircle. Area of incircle is pi small r square. This is incircle. Okay, now guys, the important property which I wanted to explain is, listen very carefully. Listen very carefully, guys. This is important. So if you have the incenter, then that incenter divides AD. Let's say this point is D. Let's say this point is E. Let's say this point is F. So what I know is AI by ID is equal to B plus C is to A. Did you guys like that? AI is to ID is B plus C is to A. Did you guys like that? Brilliant property. You can 100% get a question on this. You can very possibly get a question based on it. Okay? Are you all clear with it? Yes? Everybody? Yes, I'll move aside. Please take a screenshot so that you guys can use it later. Okay. Yes, Shabir. Yes, I gave you formula, Shabir. Please have a look at it. I gave you in the previous slides. Go through it, you will be able to do it. Yes, Nawami, I gave you a formula to find the circumradius. Just look at it by rewinding the session. Okay? Yes, absolutely, Sayano. So guys, let's get started. The next formula which is given over here is the angle bisector. This is an angle bisector. This divides the opposite side CD by BC in the ratio what? It divides the opposite side in the ratio of B is to C. Got it? It will divide the opposite side in the ratio of B is to C. So here you have B. So you'll have B is to C. Did you guys like that? Everybody? Everybody is able to follow that? So let me remove it and show it to you again. So let us say you have the in center over here and this is your angle bisector. So you have ABC and this is side C, this is side B and this is D. So the angle bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of C is to B. That is another cool property of angle bisector. I hope you guys got it. Shall I move forward? Everybody, are you all cool with it? Yes? Did you all like the property which I discussed here? Great. So let us move forward. Guys, please note these down. We cannot go into the details of everything. Today is not the class for that. Today is the class where you just note down what I say and try to read about it. Go to the exam and do well. Okay, no research. Please understand that. Got it? Okay, let's move forward. The next one is angle in a clock. This is again a very important set of questions which do come in your KVPY. So you need to be ready for it. I will teach you how to handle it. So every minute, your hour hand moves by half a degree. And every minute, your minute hand moves by 6 degrees. So these are the two pieces of information which you need to remember to get the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand. So how to find this theta? So for that, you need to know this information. Are you all clear? Everybody? Are you all able to understand? Everybody is able to follow? If angle is given in radian, convert it into degrees. So we know that 1 radian, or we can say that 180 degrees is pi radians. So you can convert it using this. So if they give you 3 radians, you can convert it accordingly. I'm sure you guys can do that. As simple as that. So use linear variation and get the corresponding angle in degree. So that is not a very tough thing. You guys can do it. Got it? So the most important thing is this relation. This, if you don't know, you cannot do anything. You will just simply watch the question. Got it? This can be derived very simple. I've given it here. You can read through it. But the crux of the information which I gave here is every minute hour hand will move very little. See, the hour hand, no, it will move very slowly, right? Because in 1 hour, it will move from here to here. But the minute hand will do one full revolution in 1 hour. So that is why every minute hand is faster and hour hand is slower. Got it? So hour hand will move half a degree, minute hand will move 6 degrees. Got it? So let's move forward. Okay. So here we have it. The internal angle of a polygon. So guys, everybody knows the angle in a triangle is 180 degree. Everybody knows this. This is a laddu. 180 degree is very simple. But what about angle in a square? Angle in a square also everybody knows. 90, 90, 90, 90. It's going to be 360. But what about angle in a pentagon? What about angle in a pentagon? So a pentagon looks like this. I want to know what is the sum of angle in a pentagon. Can you guys tell me? Sum of all the internal angles of a pentagon. Very good, Ishan. It is 540. Very good, Sanjeet, Aditya, Sai, Rishik, Chinmaya. Chinmaya, you have to check it. That's not right. Komal, very good. So the formula is the number of sides. Here, the number of sides is 5. So the formula is n minus 2 into 180 by n. That is each individual angle, and this is sum of all the interior angles. Sum of all interior angles. What is each interior angle? Each interior angle will be what? Each interior angle will be equal to n minus 2 into 180 by n. That will be each interior angle. So for a pentagon, what is the interior angle? Can you guys tell me? For a pentagon, what is the interior angle? What is the interior angle of a regular pentagon? Guys, I didn't ask you sum. I asked you each interior angle. No, that's not right, Sanjeet. Please check it. What is the interior angle of a pentagon? So Venisha, I wrote it here. Please check it. It is 108. Yes, it is 108. So this angle is 108. This angle is 108. Got it? What is each interior angle of a regular triangle? A regular triangle means what? It's an equilateral triangle. So what is the interior angle of a triangle? It's going to be 60 degrees. You can check it. If you put 3 here, 3 minus 1 into 180 by 3. So it will be 180 by 3, it will be 60 degrees. Similarly, you can do it for square also. 4 minus 2 into 180 by 4, which will be 90. So each interior angle of a square is 90. As simple as that. Can you see how the formula works? Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Are you all able to follow with me? Guys, shall I move forward? Yes. Very, very good people. That is amazing. Keep it up. Keep it up. That's awesome. You guys are super smart and you are gonna kill it tomorrow. Very good, guys. Meghna, I will talk about it. Meghna, I would really recommend you to learn bio, at least to a certain extent. But if not bio, then you have to score well in math, Meghna. Thank you, Pinakin, but yes, I really needed some water. So guys, I'll just keep this slide and I'll drink some water and then we'll move forward, okay? I already lost half my voice. Okay, so this is the formula which I gave you. Let's get going, guys. Let's get going. Now, this is a very important thing, a cool technique which we use at Vedantu, and all of our students must be knowing this because this is something which is very, very essential for your exam. Okay, so let's say the center of your regular polygon is given. So if O is the center of your regular polygon, do you all agree that it is also the center of your circumcircle? So if I have a polygon like this, let's say, so I gave you the center of this polygon. Can I say this is the center of the circumcircle also? Yeah? Absolutely yes, that's correct. Absolutely yes. So the center of your polygon is also your circumcenter. That is the first point which I want to teach you. The next point which I want you guys to know is, I want you to mark this figure and remember it for any polygon based question. So let us say you have an n-sided polygon. So the angle subtended by one side at the center will be what? This angle will be 2 pi by n, because the overall n side subtends a right angle, subtends a 2 pi angle at the center, right? If you take all the sides, they subtend 360 degree at the center. So one side will subtend 2 pi by n, which is 360 by n degrees. Is that correct, guys? Everybody is able to follow that? Everybody is able to follow that? So if you have n sides, it will be 2 pi by n angle at the center, this angle. Are you all clear with that? Let me repeat it. You have totally n sides. You have totally n sides and they subtend 2 pi at the center, because at the center it is a dot which is an angle of 360 degree. So I want to see how much angle one side will subtend at the center. So that will be equal to 2 pi by n, and that's exactly what I've given here. So pi by n. So that will be 2 pi by n. So now you know that this is the radius of your circumcircle and this is your side length by 2. So let's say A is the side of your polygon and A by 2 will be half the side length, because I am dropping a perpendicular and it will bisect the side AB. Did you all understand it? So you get a very beautiful relation. What do you get? You get that sine of pi by n. Sine of pi by n will be equal to what? Will be equal to opposite, which is your A by 2 divided by hypotenuse, which is R. Did you guys like this relation? Did you guys like this relation? Everybody. Isn't that brilliant? Did you all like it? So shall I move forward? Yes. So Shalini, I have given the formula. Please go back and check it. pull the video back and you will be able to follow. Aditya, so you get a very nice relation from this triangle AOP. So in triangle AOP, this angle is pi by n. So sine pi by n is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is AP, which is a by 2, and hypotenuse is nothing but your radius, which is r. That is exactly what I did here. Are you all able to understand? Did you guys like it? Everybody? Absolutely yes, Sanjeet. Of course, I feel so. Anurag, it will definitely help, Anurag, because most of your 10th standard portion is formula based. For example, volume of any shape, surface area of any shape. They're all formula based only, right? So of course they do ask formula based questions. You should be ready to tackle it. And you have to apply it also. It is not just direct application of formula and getting the answer. No. You have to think, solve and get it. But to solve, you need these things. If you don't know these things, then you will have a tough time. Okay? So let's go forward, people. So this is your set theory. How many of you are aware of these formulas? If you're all aware, then take a note of it. I will move forward. Definitely Meghna, I hope you will do well. Mini Pahul, I don't have time, man. That's the problem. That's why I didn't keep for SX. Only SA we have kept it. Not aware, so I'll explain it. Please listen carefully. So guys, what is A minus B? A minus B is called as difference between A and B. Okay, difference between A and B. So A minus B will contain all the elements of A which are not in B. Listen carefully. A minus B will contain what? All the elements present in A which are not in B. So this is the region of A minus B. So this is your A minus B. Did you guys like that? Did you guys like that? So let me take a darker color so you know how to get the region. So this is A minus B. Everybody clear with that, people? Okay, brilliant, brilliant. Now that can be written as A intersection B dash, because B dash is everything outside B, and that portion intersecting with A will give you this region. So this region is nothing but A intersection B dash. That is correct, obviously. Yes. And then now what is A minus B? It can also be given as A minus A intersection B, because this is full set A. This is full set A. From that I am removing the intersection. So that is why I have this. Did you all like it? All of you got that? So that is the first one. It is called as difference of two set A and B. Now the next one. What do we have in the next one? The next one is called as symmetric difference. So this is called as A delta B. What is A delta B? A delta B is called as symmetric difference. Symmetric difference means A minus B union B minus A. What is A minus B union B minus A? It is going to be this portion plus this portion. Did you all like it? So that is your A minus B union B minus A. Did you all like it? Everybody? All of you are clear with it? Everybody is done? Very good, very good. That is brilliant. And that A minus B union B minus A can be written as A union B minus A intersection B, because A union B will be everything within this circle, two circles. From that I have to remove this portion which is A intersection B. So that is what I gave here. The third and fourth formula are very easy. The third formula is very easy, which I think everybody should be knowing, because you study that in 10th standard and also in 11th standard. Okay, I hope everybody got that. Now if A and B are disjoint, disjoint means no common elements. So if they are disjoint, they will have no common elements. So if they have no common elements, I can say that n of A intersection B is equal to under. So if n of A intersection B is under, then n of A union B will be n of A plus n of B. Did you guys like that? Everybody? Did you all get it? So that is exactly what I wanted to show you. I hope you guys have understood it. Exactly, Shabir. Yes, yes, yes. I know it, man. I am from Chennai only. Okay, so shall we move forward? Everybody. Very good, Nawami. All the very best. Do well, guys. Do well. So moving on to the next set of formulas. So this is a set of formulas for 3 set A, B and C. I want you all to make a note of it. Guys, these are all very important. Just make a note of it and I will explain it. Okay. So first formula is n of A union B union C. That is nothing but n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A plus A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So these are all just formulas. Just note them down and I will move forward. I will move forward. These are all just very simple stuff. You can make a note of it and then I will proceed. Did you all take a screenshot? Did you all take a screenshot of this? Everybody? Yes, Shabir. You didn't know that. 7th is most important. Exactly, Ishan. Ishan, it is very, very important. Yes, Chandan, I will go a bit faster. Brilliant. Very good, Nivedita. Awesome. So here we go, people. Now, I'll come to important stuff. The important stuff which is over here. Please listen carefully. So, equal angles are subtended by equal chords at the center of a circle. What do I mean by that? So, let us say you have a circle like this. Okay. And let us say you have 2 chords which are equal in length. So, let's say this is L, this is also L. Then both of them will subtend the same angle at the center. I'm sure everybody is aware of that. I'm sure everybody is aware of that property. So I hope you got it. So equal angles are subtended at the center by equal chords. Clear? Very good, very good. Brilliant job, guys. Now moving on to the next one. If line extensions of chords AB and CD intersect at a point P outside, then PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. I'm sure everybody knows that. Did you guys learn that in your 8th standard, 9th standard? Circles. Did you all study that? Very important property, can be useful in your exam tomorrow. So when you have a circle and you have a line PAB cutting the circle at A and B, and you have a line PCD which cuts the circle at C and D, then the property says PA into PB. So PA into PB will be equal to PC into PD. Everybody cool with it? That's awesome, guys. Keep it up. The same way you have, this is secant property, you have secant tangent property also. So one side it is a secant. Secant means cutting the circle at 2 points. Tangent means touching the circle at only 1 point. So if you have a secant and a tangent from the same point P, then I can say that PT square is equal to PA into PB. So this is a very important result. Please make a note of it. Everybody cool with it? That you must be knowing, right? Guys, this is very frequent in exam. So take it a bit seriously. Take it a bit seriously. This is very important. Okay. These 2 properties are very, very important. And you know what? There's one more thing. I'll probably write that down. First, you copy this down. First, you guys copy this down. I'll have some water. Yes, yes, yes. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Nivedita, you are absolutely right. Very good, Shivam Kapoor. That is exactly right. Yes, Lokesh, you are right. Ritesh, it will slightly increase, Ritesh. This year it will slightly increase. Okay, so guys, let me mark the points because everybody is asking. So, this is your P, this is your A, this is your B, this is your C, this is your D. P, T, A, B. I hope you got it. Okay? Yes. Yes, yes, Sai Anup. I will definitely talk to you about it. Sanjay Shukla, I don't think I'll be doing for KVPY SX, man. There's no time, that's why. So guys, please listen carefully. So if you have a circle and let's say you have like this, you have P, A, B, C, D. So here also PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Do you guys know that? Again, for an internal chord also this is applicable. This is the point P. This is your point P, the point of intersection. Okay, the point of intersection, this is your point P. So PA into PB is PC into PD. I hope you're all aware of it. So it is not just for external, even for internal meeting it will work. Even for internal meeting it will work. Got it? So shall I move forward? Exactly. People, let us go ahead and try to solve some more questions. These are all very important formulas. I hope you are clear with it. Okay, let's go forward now. What is the maximum value of this expression? So trigonometry is also important. I'm sure you guys know a sin theta plus b cos theta. The maximum value of it is root of a square plus b square, and the minimum value of it is equal to minus root of a square plus b square. Okay? And if they ask you modulus of a sin theta plus b cos theta, then please remember it will not be from minus, it will be from 0. So it will be from 0 to root of a square plus b square. Okay? You should be very sensible. Are you guys aware of these formulas? Did you all like it? So shall we move forward? Yes, people? Very good, very good, very good. Very good, Aditya, Diya, Shabir, Subarna. Good job, guys. So yeah, let's move forward. Let's go ahead. Next is your Siva's theorem. So Siva's theorem is a very, very important result in your geometry. I will talk to you about it very quickly because I feel you should know this result. Okay, so listen very, very carefully, guys, all of you. Okay, so let us say you have a triangle A, B and C. Okay, so you have a triangle ABC. Now, AF is called as a CVN. What is a CVN? CVN is a line which is drawn from one vertex to the opposite side. What is a CVN? CVN is a line which is drawn from one vertex to the opposite side. So AF is a CVN, and we also have BG to be a CVN, and we also have CE to be a CVN. Did you all understand that? So AF, BG and CE, they three are called as CVNs. So when you have CVNs like this, the way they divide these is going to follow this property. So what they say is AG by GC, which is this by this, is equal into, is multiplied with, what do we have? We have CF by FB into BE by EA, and that is equal to 1. Just go in order. AG by GC into CF by FB into BE by EA, that will be equal to 1, and this is true for any triangle. This is true for any triangle, and the converse is also true. What do I mean by saying that the converse is also true? So if this is satisfied, then they will all be concurrent at a single point D. If this is going to be satisfied, that means they are all going to be concurrent at a point D. Did you all understand that? Everybody? So this is your Siva's theorem. It is to check whether these lines will be concurrent at a single point. I hope you guys have understood it. No, Shabir. CVN means a line drawn from one vertex to the opposite side. Clear? Everybody? Yes, Aditya. Dhyanesh, I will repeat it again. Please listen carefully. So guys, CVNs are nothing but lines which are drawn from one vertex to the opposite side. So you have three CVNs, right? So you have 1, you have 2 and you have 3 CVNs. And to check whether 3 CVNs are meeting at a point, I will have to check this. Okay? If this relationship is satisfied, then the three Sevians will meet at a point, otherwise no. It is not necessary for three Sevians to meet at a point. But if they meet at a point, then this relation has to be satisfied. Did you all like it? Sevians can be perpendicular also. Any way it can be. All of you are clear? Exactly, Meghna, you're right. Meghna, you are absolutely correct. Did you all like it? Sevians can be anything, crafty kid. They can be medians, they can be altitudes, they can be anything that you want. Angle bisectors, it's up to you. All of you are cool with it. So shall I move forward? Very good. So moving on to the next one, divisibility test. So this is for your number theory. A lot of you are asking, sir, number theory is very difficult. I really want some help in that. So that is why I have planned this. So guys, please try to listen carefully. Okay. So for divisibility by 2, the units placed should be 0 or even, and that is very obvious. And divisibility by 3, some of the digits should be divisible by 3. That is also something which everybody is aware of. Okay. And divisibility by 4, the last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. For example, if you have 100045 or 1000, let's say you have a number like this. So clearly it is divisible by 4 because the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. So for divisibility by 4, I just check only the last 2 digits. Everything else does not matter to me. Okay? Yes, Mubin, I know everybody will struggle in 7. So only 7 I'm going to explain. 6 is also very obvious because 6 means it should be divisible by 2 and it should be divisible by 3. Both should be valid. So if divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 are both satisfied, then it is divisible by 6. Now 7 is very interesting. So let us take a very nice number. So let's take something big. So can I take 1001? Let's check that. So let's take 1001. Okay. So this is the number. I think many of you may not be knowing whether it is divisible by 7. Okay, the answer is it is divisible by 7. I know it. Okay, the answer is it is divisible by 7, but many of you may not be knowing. So how do you check? That is what I'm going to teach you. Listen carefully. The way you check is, first remove the last digit. Forget the last digit. Now what do you have? You have 100. Now 100, you will double the last digit and subtract it from what we have. The last digit is what? 1. So 1, you will double it and you will subtract it from this. So you will be left out with 98. So is 98 divisible by 7? Is 98 divisible by 7? Can you guys think about it? Yes. So 98 is divisible by 7 because it goes 14 times. So if this is divisible by 7, then the original number is also divisible by 7, and therefore that is how you check divisibility by 7. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked it. Very interesting, right? Very interesting. Yes, Nivedita. One more example. Yes, we will go for it. Let me think of a good number. Can you guys give me some very tough? Okay, I'll use my calculator. That is the best way to do it. Okay, people. One second. I'll take a good calculator and then do it. 2003, huh? Okay, Ishan is giving me some good values. So let's take, but 2003, okay. 2002 I'll take. Okay, so let's do that. 2003 is not divisible, man. I want something which is divisible by 7, so that it's easier to solve. Okay, or let me do something else. Let's do 2016. Okay, so first forget the last digit. 6 you keep separate, 201 you have. Now I will double the last digit and make it 12, and that I will subtract from here. So if I subtract, what will I get? I will get 189. Now 189, is it divisible by 7? Yes, it is 27 times. So if this is divisible by 7, then this is also divisible by 7. So 2016 is divisible by 7. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Yes, it is 1 plus 7 pro, man, not 8. Okay, everybody clear with it? All of you, shall I move forward, guys? Okay, great. So let us proceed to the next one. Divisibility by 8 means you have to check the last 3 digits. So if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then it is said to be divisible by 8. That is very easy. 9, some of the digits must be divisible by 9. 10, it should end with a 0. Now 11 is very interesting. 11 is something which you guys may not be knowing. So I'll teach you. Listen very carefully. So 11, so let's say you have 1, 2, 3. I'll take a different color. Red is best. Okay. So let's say you have 1, 3, 3, 1. So what you do is you take the sum of the digits in the even places and sum of the digits in the odd places. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Here 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So now I will take the difference of both of them. 4 minus 4 is 0. So if the difference is divisible by 11, then the number is also divisible by 11. So 1331 is divisible by 11. That is how you do it. Are you all clear? Exactly. So you can take a better example also. I took a very simple example. So you can also do 132. So 132 means you will take sum of even places, sum of odd places, only one odd place. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and we have 3 over here. Now take the difference of both of them. So difference is 0, so it is divisible by 11. As simple as that. Okay. So this is the divisibility by 11 and I hope you guys liked it. Are you all clear? Very good, very good. So that's it. I think with that we can move forward. And these are some common results. X power n minus a power n is divisible by x minus a for all values of n. X power n minus a power n is divisible by x plus a and x minus a for even values of n. And x power n plus a power n is always divisible by x plus a for odd values of n. Okay. So this is very important and this will be present in the PDF so you guys can go through it. Shall I move forward? Everybody? All of you? Yes? Madheshwaran, you can give me a good number. Give me a good multiple of 11, a big one. So Madheshwaran wants a very big example. So let me give you guys something nice. Let's say you have 554 into 11. So 6094. Okay. So the number is 6094. So Madheshwaran, what I'll do is I'll do even places, odd places. So even places is 6 plus 9, which is 15, and odd places is 0 plus 4, which is 4. Now I will take the difference of them. So 15 minus 4 is equal to 11, which is divisible by 11. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 11. Did you guys like it? Did you guys like it? Everybody? All of you clear? Very good. So let's continue with that. I think this slide everybody enjoyed. Guys, this is very important. I hope everybody got it. So here we go. Samriddhi, please repeat the video. Just pull the video back and then you guys will be able to follow. Arya, I explained Arya twice. Just go back and watch the video. I think that is better because if I start repeating everything, it will take a lot of time. Already we have completed 1.5 hours and my voice is gone. So let me quickly complete it, guys. So next is modulus. So modulus is also very important and something which you guys might struggle with. So I wanted to help you with that. So please listen carefully. So whenever you say mod of x is equal to a, x is equal to plus or minus a. So whenever you have mod of x minus k is equal to a, then x is equal to k plus or minus a. And whenever you have mod of x is less than a, then x is going to be greater than minus a and less than a. So whenever you have mod of x is greater than a, your x will be greater than a or your x will be less than minus a. So these are the basic results which you guys have to remember, and apart from that these can be very, very interesting also. So these two are the same. These two are the same and these two are the same. Only thing is equality is here. Only thing is equality is here. That's the difference. Okay. Are you all clear? Everybody? Ranger, the PDF will be available to you right after the class. Right after the class, you guys will get the PDF. If everybody is aware of this, then I'm going to move forward. I wrote what all is important. And guys, this is just a revision session. I cannot teach you how these come. This is just for your knowledge. You have to know this. Without this, it's going to be very hard. Aditya, description you will get it. All of you clear with that? So people, let's get going. Logarithm properties. So what are the important log properties? Log of m to the base a plus log of n to the base a. So if you have log m and n to the same base, then you can combine it and write it as log mn to the base a. Got it? Chinmay, the link is given in the description. You can check it out, Chinmay. Got it? And thank you, Nexus. That means a lot, man. You are so sweet. That's awesome. So yes, Vaibhavi, I'll come to that. So next you have log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Then that difference can be written as m by n. M divided by n to the base a. And this is power. So log m to the power alpha to the base a. This power can come in the front. That's what I have done here. The power on m can come to the front as alpha. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Did you all like it? Are you guys able to understand it? Very good, very good. Now, next thing is when you have power in the base, let's say a to the power beta you have m. So when you have power in the base, it will come outside as 1 by beta. So power in the base will come outside as 1 by beta. So please be very careful. Did you all like that? Everybody? Okay. Yes. And last one is change of base. So that is very important. So when you have log m to the base a, this can be written as log m to the base b by log a to the base b. So to some common base you can express them. So this is what we call as change of base. Very, very useful to solve some questions. Okay? Did you all like it? So shall I move forward? Okay. Yes, Madheshwaran, you will have some PNC, but it will be mostly logic based. So people, these things you know, right? Okay, this is very important. Oh, I forgot to tell this. This is the most important one. Okay, so you know that a to the power x is equal to y. So then I can say that y is equal to, I can say that ln or log y to the base a is equal to x. So can I put this over here? So I can say a to the power x. Instead of x, I'll put this. Log to the base a y is equal to y. So that is a very cool property, very, very useful. So please make a note of it. Yes, Tanisha, that is so awesome. It's actually a brilliant score. Okay. Brilliant. Chaitanya, it will not be numbers, man. What if they give variables and ask you to find divisibility? So that time you can't use calculator, na? That's why. Okay, so people, with that, let me move forward to the last slide, which I'm sure everybody knows. So this is sigma k, this is sigma k square, this is sigma k cube. So sum of first n natural numbers, sum of first n square of natural numbers, sum of first n cubes of natural numbers, and this is a GP, infinite GP. So infinite GP sum is a by 1 minus r, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. I hope you guys got it, and with that we are done. Okay, so we are done with the complete revision of your KVPY formulas. I hope you guys liked it. Okay, So this is all you need to do well. Of course, there are certain topics like your PNC, which is also useful, statistics, probability, but that I'm sure you guys can enjoy. So make sure you all follow it and make the best use of it so that you can come out with flying colors. And guys, if you enjoyed it and if you want to be a part of our regular sessions, then click on the link below the description. You can join us and you can be a part of my class. Okay? Yes, Vaibhavi. Yes, Mubin. It was so lovely to see all of you guys. Thank you for taking your time and coming here. I hope it was useful. And before we part ways, this is the crash course in case you are in 12th. It is available for a good discount. And this is my coupon code. Guys, before you part ways, I want to wish everybody all the very best. Do well in your exam and also let me know how it went. Like if you enjoyed it, if the session helped, even after tomorrow you can comment it down below. Okay? Do well guys, all the best my dear students. Take care, sleep well today, at least 8 hours try to sleep. I know you might be anxious, you might not be able to sleep, but don't take too much tension. And like I said, try to be very careful when you attempt. Try to score well in biology, physics, chemistry, math. If you score 10 to 15, it's a decent score. If you find math too difficult, don't worry because everybody will find it difficult. Okay? So that is not going to help you. That is not going to be a disadvantage for you. Don't think like that. Got it? Okay, chalo. Take care guys. All the very best. Bye-bye. See you in the next one. Till then, do well and come back tomorrow with a stronger mind. Okay? Take care guys. Bye-bye. See you. If you liked it, do like it and subscribe guys. Don't forget.